In Music One categories, when you click the sound wave icon, it brings up the track view, showing the songs or tracks in the category. When the tracks view is selected, the magnifying glass icon is active. This is for searching. When you click it, the search engine appears. It will open with the Music Search button selected, and all your music categories are displayed in the window on the right. If you want to search non-music tracks, click the button, and non-music categories will appear. When you launch the search engine, at first all the categories are selected and would be searched when some other search criteria is entered into the fields in the left column. To search a single category, just click on the name. That category is now the only one selected and the only one which will be searched. To search multiple categories, hold down the Command key on your keyboard and click on each category name. To select a range of categories that are in list order, first, click to select one category, then hold down the Shift key on the keyboard and click the last category name in the range. You can select a range going up or down. Here I'll use the Legend category as the starting point. I select the range from Image to Legend. Or I select the range from Legend to Classic. The Primary Search tab allows you to search several different fields. These are the ones you'll most commonly use for searching, starting with artist and title. To search for songs by an artist, type the first few letters of the artist name. Select the artist. Click the categories you want to search, and click the Find button. When you do a search, Music One saves the selection settings of that search, so you can use it easily again without having to redefine the search. The searches are saved and numbered at the bottom of the category list, where they can easily be reused or altered. When you click on one you've saved, the search is run again and displayed. Right-click on the name of the search and select Edit Criteria to see what was used in that search. My search number 0 was for George Strait songs in the Hot Current, Medium Current, and Image categories. My search number 1 was for George in Image, Edge, and Power Gold. Search number 2 was for Shania Twain songs in Power Gold. To name the search, right-click and select Rename. To remove one of the saved searches, right-click and select Delete. Search parameters can be edited. Search number 3 is for Waylon Jennings songs from the Legend and Classic categories. I can change something about the search. In this case, I'll change the artist name. Click the Find button, and now the search has been updated. Right-click and edit criteria again, and you see George Jones is now the default artist for this search. The search engine allows you to more specifically narrow the criteria with the Attributes and Advanced tabs. Normally, all attributes in these 4 boxes are selected. If I want my search to be for only male songs, I would remove the check marks from the other genders. In the right panel, you see the sound code names. Sound codes are not considered in any search you do unless you specifically select them. So right now, any search I do will find all songs, whether or not they have sound codes. If I want to find only songs with my pop and rock sound codes, then I click to select those two. The Advanced tab displays additional fields which can be included in a search. The first 4 are the user-defined fields which appear on the song cards. Searches can be launched for composers, arrangers, publishers. Searches can be made for songs that you have restricted from play in certain hours, or songs which have song notes or artist notes. A search for tracks with multiple locations is useful for stations that may have clones of the same audio file. Each copy of that file would have to have a different cart number or file name. Check this box and Music One will find only song cards that have 2 file or cart numbers. The Native box searches for songs that are designated as native content. This is for nations like Canada and France, which have regulations requiring a certain amount of nationally produced music content in programming. Tracks where the end date has passed allows you to find non-music units which are still in rotation categories, but are no longer being scheduled because their time frame has expired.